Hello everyone, I am Shahan Laik and today I will teach you about apoptosis. There are two main pathways of apoptosis. The first pathway is intrinsic and the second pathway is extrinsic. Intrinsic pathway. Intrinsic pathway is also known as mitochondrial pathway. You can see in the picture, this is the mitochondria which has a element known as cytochrome C. Now in intrinsic pathway, this mitochondria become leaky, and because it has become leaky, so cytochrome C comes out of the mitochondria in the cytoplasm of the cell, and it causes activation of the caspase enzyme which causes apoptosis. Now how this become leaky, how this mitochondria become leaky. So let us learn about it. You can see there are two types of BCL family. First one is anti-apoptotic BCL family, another is pro-apoptotic BCL family. Anti-apoptotic means it will go against the apoptosis, it will prevent the apoptosis. Okay, example of this kind of BCL family members are BCL2, BCLXL, MCL1. Another is pro-apoptotic BCL family. This will help in the apoptosis process. These are BAC and BACs. So BAC and BACs guys helps in the apoptosis, but the BCL2, BCLXL and MCL1 guys, they prevent the apoptosis. So there must be a balance, and this balance is maintained by another group of BCL family. They have BH3 domain. So these guys are BAD, BAD, BID, BIM, PUMA and NOXA. So they create, these BH3 domains create a balance between these two groups. One is saying anti-apoptotic, we will go against apoptosis, we will prevent apoptosis, and another, the BAC and the BACs, they are saying no, we will do the apoptosis. So there is balance. If imbalance occur between these two, it will result in caspase activation and the cell will go for apoptosis. Another mechanism, this is the first mechanism I told you. The second one is extrinsic pathway. Now in extrinsic pathway, you can see here, this is the cell membrane, okay. Now cell membrane has two types of receptor. One is TNFR1, tumor necrosis factor receptor 1. Another is Fas ligand receptor. So these Fas ligand receptor and TNFR1 receptor, this Fas ligand receptor will accept a molecule known as FAS. So after this molecule FAS bind with Fas ligand, then it will start a process known as FADD, Fas associated death domain. And this will result in caspase activation, and so apoptosis will occur. Thank you for listening. Please share and subscribe.